Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel, WCMFX. My name is Aaron Opi, the founder of this channel. Today, I want us to discuss about the mistakes that I made as a beginner trader. Alright, it's 2021 and I hear about trading Forex for the first time. Then I think to myself, this sounds like a scam. Then completely brush it out of my mind. Then boom, fast forward in 2022, I come across a video on YouTube of a guy I'd ever watched before. He was unveiling his brand new van, and guess what? He got it through trading Forex. After watching this guy who unveiled his brand new van on YouTube after making some money in Forex trading, I went straight and opened an account with XNext Broker and deposited some $10. I had no clue of what I was doing. The only thing that I knew was the sell button, the buy button, and all I wanted to know is how to close, of which I learned how to close the trade. This takes us straight to our first mistake, or the first mistake that I made. That is lack of trading knowledge and training, where you feel you want to do it, but again you have this mindset that it is a scam. I sold gold and somehow got lucky. Then I managed to make $10. I was so excited, and to myself I was like, oh, this is something that is so easy. But guess what? It was a Wednesday, CPI news was released. I lost all the money in an instant. I got nothing from the $20. I had $10 and then added more 10 that I made by chance. I lost everything in an instant. So I didn't give up. I kept on pushing. That is where I went back to YouTube and then I started learning more things. So I discovered demo trading and also discovered this website, Baby Pips, where I started learning Forex for free. Here is the lesson for every beginner trader who is out there. Before you put in real money into any broker, I advise you to invest in learning more and if possible, get a mentor. Read more trading books and join communities like trading communities, either on Discord or Telegram channel. Trust me, this will elevate your trading and it will help you understand what trading really is before you actually put in your money. The second mistake I made as a beginner trader was having unrealistic expectations. When I first started trading, I thought I was going to be living a millionaire's lifestyle in just 3 months. Imagine. I'm talking about having mansions, traveling with private jets, and having luxurious cars. I was daydreaming really hard, but reality hit and really quick. Even after I learned more and more about trading, I realized that trading is not an overnight thing. One of the biggest mistakes that beginner traders do is coming into trading with a gambling mindset, where one thinks once he comes into trading is going to put some big money right now, then in the next 15 minutes, or in the next 2 days or 3 months, is going to be making tripling that money or even 10 times the money that he has put there. And for me, it took me time to realize that trading is not a get-rich-quick scheme. And what I had to do, I set realistic goals, like compounding my profits to get a better capital base. And I invested more in getting better trading equipments. So my advice for you, the beginner trader who is starting out there, is that when you're coming into trading, just forget it that trading is gambling. Trading is not gambling. Trading is real business. It is legit, where you will have to compound your profits over time and you'll have to invest into learning until when you master the skill, then that's where you're going to start making some money. Don't come in with expectations of making it overnight because you'll end up gambling, and that is a gambling mindset. Come in with a businessman's mindset. The third mistake that I made as a beginner is just something easy, and it is a common mistake we all make. Even some intermediate traders still do it, and that is overtrading. Now, this comes as a result of greed, where you have already met your daily target and you still dive into trading, look for other setups, and then you start trading again with hopes of making more money. I did this a lot, and guess what happened? I saw multiple accounts of mine more and more level up to zero. That's how I learned the hard way that overtrading equals to losing money. So what I did, I started setting my daily trades to take and the weekly trades that I'm supposed to be taking. So my advice for you is that focus on the quality trades, not quantity trades. And once your target of the day is met, make sure you close your laptop and go and do other things. And that takes us straight to mistake number 4. That is improper risk management. Back in the days when I just started trading, I used to trade without stop losses and take profits. And sometimes the trade could run my way because I did not put my take profit, it goes back. And since I don't have a stop loss, my trade could not, the losses couldn't be minimized. In fact, you could just come open your laptop or the phone to check on your Meta 5 when the account is zero. So my advice is that as a beginner trader, make sure you use the stop loss and use the right lot sizing so that at least you save your account. If you're a beginner and you want to understand some of those terms like take profit, stop loss, lot size, don't worry. We shall be teaching you most of the basic terms and words that we use in trading. Just hit on that subscription button so that you don't miss out on those videos. My other advice to you as a beginner, you shouldn't risk more than 2% of your trading account. And you shouldn't expose your account into bigger losses. Now we are going to mistake number 5, which is our last point on this video. But before we go to that point, now that you have watched up to this extent, that means you are really a serious trader and you're willing to level up your trading. Don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss out on the videos that we shall be putting in the next coming days. Mistake number 5 is trusting people to trade for you. When I started trading, I joined a lot of trading communities, of which others were scams. So this is where I got this guy who told me that I could invest in his trading system, that when you invest like $250, you are going to get 25% of it every day, each and every day, after every 24 hours. So because I was new and I actually wanted to make it so fast, I put in like $250. What happened? The guy vanished with all the money. So what I advise you is, before you get scammed by these people, make sure you learn how to trade by yourself. As for me, I would recommend that learn how to trade on your own. Do not trust people to trade for you. That's the best advice I could give you as a beginner trader. Don't allow to be scammed, or don't fall for it that someone trades for you as you sit and wait. Please learn how to trade on your own. Right, my fellow traders, let me give you a quick recap of the mistakes that I made. Number 1 was lack of trading knowledge and training. Number 2, we said, is having unrealistic expectation. Number 3, that is overtrading. Number 4, improper risk management. And number 5 is trusting people to trade for me. So for today, let's end here. Meet you again in the next coming video. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.